For question 4, we're just going to have a quick look at a mixed domain question. So, what's different about question 4 and question 3? Or 2? Or 1? What's different about this question?
It's 2 functions.
We have 2 or 3 piecewise functions really, but 2 that we care about, okay? Now, I'm not going to deal with question A and B because we should be okay with those, but question C gets a little bit trickier. Question C, why is question C trickier? Thanks, Sasha.
Because the value uses both of the functions.
Because we start in the second domain and it goes all the way back through to our first domain. How do we know it goes all the way back through? Less than 9.2, so we know that we're starting a higher domain and working our way through. So if I was to set this integration up, I've done most of the work, but I just need to put my bounds in. What should my bounds be? What should the lower bound be?
9.2. Oh no. 2.
Upper bound should be 9.2. What should the lower bound be?
0.
Some people are saying 6, some people are saying 2. Why should it be 2?
Because that's the lower function.
That's the lower value. Why should it be 6, Sasha?
Because you do the first function first. And then you
Because
do
this function only applies until 6. To account for the fact that we do need to go all the way back to 2, we need to add our second function between 2 and 6.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
And then all we have to do is shove that into our calculator. Cool? So dealing with values that go across multiple domains, we still need to, and that's not right, we need to, no, that's right. We need to cut that off. Why can I include 6 in both? Because this one's not including 6, but why can I include 6 in my integration? What type of data are we dealing with here? Continuous. So it really doesn't matter if I'm going 5.9999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999 can add those values. We can have the same bound as our lower and upper bound on these. Cool?
Yeah.
And then we just shove that into our calculator and we would get 0.869. Okay. For question D, it's exactly the same except we're going that x is greater than 4.6. So in question D, we start at 4.6, we go up to 6, and then we go all the way through our second domain. Cool?
Yeah.
That's our split domain.
And you always add them together?
Yep.